Hey everyone! Welcome back to Sai Recipes. If you're looking for tasty, budget-friendly dinner ideas for your family, you've come to the right place. Today, I've got 5 delicious and affordable recipes that won't break the bank. Let's dive in. Recipe No. 1. One-pan baked chicken and veggies. First up, we've got a super simple one-pan baked chicken and veggies. All you need is chicken thighs, some potatoes, carrots, and your favorite seasonings. Toss everything on a baking sheet, drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle with salt, pepper, and herbs, then bake at 400 degrees for 40 minutes. Easy cleanup, and it's super tasty. Recipe No. 2. Veggie Stir-Fry with rice. Next, we've got a quick veggie stir-fry with rice. You can use whatever veggies you have at home. Broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, onions, and even frozen peas work great. Stir-fry them in a hot pan with some soy sauce and garlic, and serve over rice. It's healthy, quick, and a great way to clean out your fridge. Recipe No. 3. Spaghetti. Aglio e olio. Recipe No. 3 is a classic. Spaghetti aglio e olio. You only need spaghetti, olive oil, garlic, red pepper flakes, and parmesan. Cook your pasta, then sauté garlic in olive oil. Add the pasta to the pan and toss it all together. It's super quick, super simple, and packed with flavor. Recipe No. 4. Taco night. Who doesn't love taco night? For a budget-friendly twist, use ground turkey or beans as your filling. Serve with tortillas, lettuce, cheese, and salsa. You can even get creative with toppings like avocado or sour cream. Super easy and always a hit. Recipe No. 5. Sheet pan baked ziti. Last but not least, baked ziti on a sheet pan. Cook your pasta, mix with marinara sauce and mozzarella, then bake on a sheet pan until bubbly and golden. It's a comforting dish that feeds a crowd, and it's so affordable. That's it for today's video. 5 budget-friendly dinner ideas the whole family will love. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more budget-friendly recipes.